This is a stainless steel front to my dishwasher. It's not too bad. It's got some marks on it. And, you know, stainless steel. It's got the water spots and whatnot. So let's see how this product works on that. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. And buff. Looks pretty good to me. Pretty.